फनीएस्ट थिंग, बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हैं, बट मेरे को रिकॉल, आई थिंक ये एक आलिया की बड़ी आदत है कि सपोज अगर एक सीन आता है और उसमें अगर किसी एक्टर की बहुत सारी लाइंस हो तो, और आलिया की बहुत कम लाइंस हो, तो आलिया कहती है कि ये आप उनको दे दीजिए स्क्रिप्ट, मेरी लाइंस है तो मेरे को ज़रा उसमें पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो एक ऐसा सीन आया था जिसमें आलिया की खूब सारी लाइंस थी और एक फैमिली सीन था उस्मान साहब के रूम में, और हम सब बैठे थे, उस्मान साहब, सुरैया, मैं, फ़हाद, पूरी फैमिली। तो हम सब ने डिसाइड किया था कि जैसे ही आलिया एंटर करेंगी हम सब के सब उनको स्क्रिप्ट पकड़ आगे बोलेंगे ये स्क्रिप्ट आलिया को दे दो। और वो बहुत ही एक फ़नी इंसिडेंट रहा था बिकॉज शी वाज शॉक कि अरे अचानक से सब के सब मुझे बोल रहे हैं, तो दैट वाज क्वाइट फनी इंसिडेंट। तो मनप्रीत, ये था मेरे सवाल का जवाब।
मनप्रीत, many things have happened जो हम सांप के साथ शूट कर रहे थे. That was a real snake in Film City, and that was very funny. But the funniest thing that I can recollect is with Zubair, जो मेरी cousin है Zubu. उन एक shot था where I had to slap him, and for some particular reason I had to slap him from my left hand. Normally हम लोग ऐसे slap करते हैं. I had to slap him like this. So probably this guy was mentally prepared कि उसको उस तरफ से थप्पड़ पड़ने वाला है. So when I slapped him like this, his reaction was like this. Seriously, like a reverse reaction. जो बहुत ही funny था. I can't think of anybody but Alia. I'm so sorry about that.
Harshad's fan club, a character who I would like to swap with would be probably the kids. I think Saif, Aruv and Sanata, that I can be a little cute and child and थोड़ा ऑडियंस को रहता है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, क्यूट हैं, प्यारे हैं, तो एक हल्का सा वो एलिमेंट.
Sabrina, I know you on Twitter. Okay, what is Zen all about? A guy who is very flamboyant, जो बहुत सारी लड़कियों को डेट करता था. He was, very impulsive. कभी भी उसको आलिया की कदर नहीं थी, और काफ़ी हद तक, like for a long time in life, उसको आलिया की कदर ही नहीं थी until he actually lost her. In reality, अगर I don't think मैं ज़ैन जैसे लड़के के साथ खुश रह पाऊँगी, because I want some guy who's like really practical, जिसे मेरी कदर हो from day one. और I wouldn't succumb to a marriage where I'm not getting along with the person, and किसी रिश्ता निभाने के लिए मैं उस उलझी हुई हूँ. I wouldn't get into something like that. नहीं, I would want somebody who is more wise, somebody who is very sorted in life, who has his priorities in place, who जिसके लिए relationship बहुत ही मायने रखे अपने life में. And for him, relationship should not be something that's very frivolous. It should be something that means a lot to him in his life. So I would want somebody like that, जो मुझे अभी तक मिला नहीं है. Ranjima, sometimes people call me Muslim Barbie doll. मुझे बहुत ही, I keep blushing on that. It's very cute, isn't it? Yeah.
Actually मुझे इतने ऐसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते नहीं हैं which can make me blush, but it's mostly about my acting and the performances and the episodes which we do during the day. But yeah, there have been incidents when people, girls in particular, have said that they really are fond of me and they are really enjoying my work and they want to meet me on sets, and some of them even want to marry me. So yeah. Ranjima, I think Zaya is what I prefer because it's a fictitious name, Zayn and Alia. Whereas Harshad and Kritika are real life people, and I don't like, to be associated in real life. So I think Zayn and Alia put together, Zaya is what is better. Fame feels really good, and but I would like to say that it comes at a price, which is your privacy and your personal life. You have to sacrifice that. It's been really long that I've gone out with my friends and I've spent time with them because I'm literally working every day. So that is what I think you have to pay for. But yeah, the fame and the glory, it's people love you so much that towards the end of the day, that's what that counts.
I just feel the love. For me, fame is all about love. It's not anything else because when you go out, when you step out and people recognize you, with the recognition, there's a lot of love. They come to you with a lot of love. They want to have a picture with you. Because they love you, and that's all they tell you. Ki we love you so much. We like your acting so much. So I associate fame with love, and that's what fame is to me right now. I hope I have found my Beintaha Mohabbat 5 years from now, or much before that. But it's very tough to answer a question like this.
I wish I could be an astrologer and forecast that, but probably doing a show or a film. But yeah, I would stick to acting only, that's for sure.
Trust me, in television, everything that you do is very challenging. Everything, because ये फिल्म नहीं है कि आप एक 3 घंटे के फिल्म में एक सीन बहुत ही कमाल का दो और वहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया. दिस इज़ लाइक मंडे टू फ्राइडे 1 ईयर. आप कितना भी करो कम है. आई थिंक तीसरा तलाक जब होता है उसके बाद द ब्रेक डाउन दैट आई हैड एट द होटल रूम, जब मैं मामू से कहती हूँ कि आपके वजह से आई स्टेड ऑन, आई बिलीव्ड in this relationship, और देखिए आज ज़ैन ने मुझे तीसरा तलाक दे दिया. And it was a one take. I got an ovation from everybody, and that was really memorable for me.
I think Usman Saab's death scene with me and Usman Saab was one of the most challenging scenes for me. Then there have been a lot of challenging scenes actually. I also found that graveyard scene quite challenging. That was good. And my Walima scenes and the drunk scenes have been really difficult to perform. They have been appreciated quite a lot, so yeah.
Shafaq Sheikh, comedy?
All of them actually. I love doing not comedy, but that little naughty and little, that teasy element and emotional as well. But my favorite is like what Zayn's USP is, which is what the character is about, the naughtiness and the charm and the flamboyance. That's what I like the most. So Shafaq, that's your answer. So Maya, honestly, if I knew that, I would probably get that chemistry with everybody. But I think it just happens. It all depends on a co-actor and your comfort level. And luckily, we are blessed to have good writers and directors. So, yeah.
So Maya, probably we were destiny's pair because जैसे कि आप सब लोगों को पता है who followed me, I and Harshad were selected for another show, for another channel, जो हुआ नहीं. But ये हुआ. So probably we were destiny's pair. We don't really have to try hard to bring out the chemistry. The two of us just come in the frame and, there are some kind of sparks that you guys can see. But trust me, I think मेरी chemistry, या शायद I'm good with romantic scenes. ऐसी है कि a lot of actors that even I don't get along with. जैसे मैंने साउथ में एक हीरो के साथ फिल्म की थी, I won't name him. We never got along. But अगर आप उस फिल्म को देखेंगे तो you will think that we guys were madly in love with each other. So probably it's me. Hadika, it's 10 on 10.
Hadika, I would let you guys decide that, and you tell me how much will you rate us. I have a lot of moments, and I think Usman Saab's final day was quite an emotional day for all of us when he died in the show. So we missed him quite a lot. It was like a family only, and 6 months we shot together, and all of a sudden when you get to know that one character is dying in the show, so it's obviously heart-wrenching. But yeah, we got it over that fact, and it's been good since then. Lizzie, ये था आपके सवाल का जवाब. My co-actors, they are very, very supportive. They are really experienced, and they, all of them, especially Suchitra, Vivek, and Suchitra and Vivek in particular. Yeah, I get along with them really well. I actually get along with everybody on set. But if somebody who really guides me or helps me was Usman Saab, of course, Naved Saab, Suchi and Vivek, and Gulam Saab.
I think he's very punctual. He comes on set way ahead of time. Poor thing. He comes much before he's called. ईमानदारी से, पूरी ईमानदारी से बेचारा आके बैठे रहता है और मैं perfect time पे आती हूँ. So that's nice about him, and he's a good actor. He's improved a lot in the last 10 months. We all have seen each other's growth as actors, but Harshad का जो growth है वो बहुत ही tremendous है. Today is a very fine actor.
That she has a lot of patience. Yeah.
We always call for our shot, and whatever these interviews happen, they happen in between. So Harshad is shooting and I'm a bit free, but now I have to go. So that's the only reason why I and Harshad are not together right now for this interview. Nahi to, I'm so sorry about that.
I would just like to say that keep waiting. There is lots more to come, and I know that you guys are not happy with the show right now, the way it's progressing. But one thing I can promise you, that you will definitely fall in love with the upcoming story, upcoming track, because there is a lot of excitement. There's a lot of twists which are still left, and yeah, so keep watching that. Hi, this is Harshad Arora. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe for WhatsApp TV.